In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to your Heroku application. This is a great way to give your app a custom domain name, which can make it even more professional and easier for users to remember. We'll walk through each step to ensure you can seamlessly link the two platforms together, so let's dive straight into it. To start, make sure you have a registered domain name in Godaddy and an application already deployed on Heroku. Now, beginning with your Godaddy account, log in with your credentials and navigate to the My Products page. Here, you'll find a list of all the domains you own. Locate the domain that you wish to connect to your Heroku app and click on DNS or Manage DNS. This will take you to the DNS management page where you will configure the necessary settings. Now, to set up the connection, you'll need to modify the domain's name records. Look for a section labeled Records or simply DNS Records. Within that section, you'll focus on the name record. If there's an existing name record with the name www, you will need to edit it. Click on Edit and in the Points to field, enter the Heroku DNS target. This can typically be found under the Settings page of your app within your Heroku dashboard. If there isn't a name record pre-existing, go ahead and add a new one. Just hit Add Record, set the type to Name, and fill in the host as www. Then, just like before, put the Heroku DNS target in the Points to field. Now that we've configured that, let's move over to Heroku. Log into your Heroku account. You'll want to find the app you'd like to connect. Go to its Settings page and scroll down to find the Domain section. Click Add Domain and you'll be prompted to enter your domain name, which should include www. Click Add again to save your changes. Heroku will provide a target DNS record which you'll already have pointed to, and this essentially establishes the connection between your Godaddy domain and your application hosted on Heroku. Let's verify this setup. Once the DNS settings have propagated, which usually takes a few hours, try visiting your custom domain in a browser. You should see your Heroku app up and running, now proudly visible with its brand new domain. If you find any issues accessing your app, double-check that your DNS records are correct and that your Heroku settings reflect the correct domain targets. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Godaddy domain to your Heroku app, giving it that professional touch and added accessibility. Remember, DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so if you don't see the results immediately, give it a little while. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more technical guides. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!